Welcome to Be Yog, Be Your Own Guide. Today is day 17 of the 30-day morning meditation series, and welcome to this morning's practice, which is all about reset, not needing to dive into today from any sense of urgency or reactivity, and instead begin from a stable sense of stillness, from clarity, from peace, from quiet. Settle into a comfortable seat. You could be sitting on your mat, your cushion, on a chair, edge of the bed. Wherever you are, allow your spine to rise tall and supple. Rest your hands maybe on your knees or in your lap. And then, if it feels okay, softly allow your eyes to close or lower your gaze if that feels better. Now, taking in an aware breath through the nose, a longer breath, and now breathing out nice and slow through the mouth. Whew. And once again, inhale in through the nose. Gentle exhale through the mouth, fully letting it all go. And then allowing the breath to return back to its natural rhythm, bringing awareness now to the body and noticing how it feels this morning, how the body feels at this moment, without any analysis, judgment, just noticing what's present, where it feels nice, where maybe not so much, maybe you may sense some tension, or you may feel some tightness, or maybe a little bit of sleepiness, or maybe restlessness. Just an open arms observation of what's present right now, without any need to change anything in this moment. And as you notice, with each inhale, allow space to get created within your being, both physical, mental, energetic being. And as you breathe out, allow yourself to settle into the present moment a little more. Allow the surface you're sitting on to hold your weight, to support you, and receive the support. You don't need to hold everything on your own. And now gently scanning the body from top to bottom, softening the space between the eyebrows. Relax your jaws. Let your shoulders drop a little, letting it go. Releasing any tightness or grip through your hands. Unclenching, softening the belly, softening your thighs, hips. And letting your legs rest nice and easy. And taking the next in breath, filling the entire body with gentle, soft presence. And exhaling slowly, fully. This is your reset. Bring awareness now to your breath and feel the inhale enter your nose. Fill in expanding your belly, expanding your lungs. And then feel into the exhale as it leaves the body right from the belly, through the nose, nostrils, taking with it any unneeded pressure or expectations that don't belong to you this morning. And for the next few breaths, let's just stay with this rhythm on our own. Gentle inhaling, exhaling. No effort needed. Just presence, awareness, presence, awareness, presence. And now maybe let's set a gentle intention for the day ahead. Not in the form of a task list or a productivity goal, just a soft inner knowing, an inner, so to say, quality that you'd like to carry with you. It might be the sense of calm, maybe the sense of grounding, sense of pausing, or clarity, or assertiveness, confidence, intuitiveness. Choose any one sense, quality that you'd like to carry with you through the day today, and as you choose it, breathe into it, repeating silently, either out loud or within yourself. I begin my day today with dash. Whatever your word is, whatever that felt sense is that you want to carry. Inhale and say, I begin my day today with dash. Create that intention. And as you exhale, allow this intention to deepen within you. Maybe repeat it a few more times, breathing in. I begin my day with, and exhaling, letting this sense, this felt sense deepen, aligning with yourself, aligning how you'd like to meet the world today with this quality, with this felt sense. And now maybe allow yourself to visualize the energy of this intention spreading throughout your body, filling you from within, from the inside out, almost as if a soft humming sensation beneath the skin. It's just steady, soft energy throughout the body of this intention today. And just gently hold this energy as you breathe. And as you begin to return back to the space around you, as you begin to move into your morning today, let's begin bringing small movements back to the body, gently moving, wiggling your fingers and toes, maybe rolling your shoulders a little, whatever feels good. And if your eyes were closed, softly, gently begin opening your eyes. And as you start to open your eyes and you're breathing in your natural rhythm, hold the intention for the day. I move today with dash. And taking a moment to also thank yourself. Thank you, me, for being in these 10 minutes of intentional silence. Thank you. May I continue the day today with this intention. I choose to hold this intention as I move along with the day today. All right. I hope you have a wonderful day ahead. Wonderful, meaningful, and I'll see you in the next practice. Take care.